Welcome to Winner's Bench. The Best Mineral Air Foundation is probably one of the most talked about foundations in the beauty community lately, and for good reason. Its unique airbrush application system promises a flawless, natural-looking finish that can be customized to your desired coverage level, all while being lightweight and comfortable on the skin. If you're tired of cakey makeup and looking for a foundation that offers both performance and a skin-loving formula, this might just be your holy grail. Number 5. Jerome MagicMinerals Airbrush Foundation Set. Discover the revolutionary way to achieve flawless skin. This innovative foundation provides a smooth, radiant finish with every application. Achieve an airbrushed look effortlessly. The lightweight formula blends seamlessly for a natural, perfected complexion. This set includes a premium kabuki brush for easy and even application. Get a professional finish right at home. Experience the power of anti-aging ingredients. It works to nourish your skin while providing beautiful coverage. Reveal smoother, more radiant skin. It's designed to enhance your natural beauty and leave you glowing. Perfect for achieving light to medium coverage. It adapts to your skin tone for a natural, healthy look. What we like. This foundation set is designed for a smooth, radiant finish. It comes with a handy kabuki brush for application. If you are looking for a simple, effective solution with added anti-aging benefits, this is a great choice. What people say. It's incredibly easy to use. You simply spray the foundation onto the brush and then brush it onto your face. The coverage is excellent and very even, but it still looks natural and not cakey at all. It blends beautifully and makes it easy to match your skin tone. My skin looks smooth and balanced without feeling heavy. It truly gives a smooth, airbrushed finish that makes my skin look even, radiant, and polished. The coverage is excellent while still feeling lightweight, so much so that it feels like I'm not wearing makeup at all. Application is quick and easy, and I especially appreciate that there is no strong chemical or perfume smell. The nice brush came with it because it really is the perfect application for this foundation. It looked a little yellowish, spraying it directly on my hand, but blending in the brush it was so pretty. Bought the shade light and I even have cool toned skin with pink undertones and it worked. Because it is so silky, I highly recommend using a setting spray with this product. So 1 spray of foundation into brush, then immediately into the brush 1 spritz of setting spray. It is the perfect combo to lock it in place where it will last all night. Number 4. Art of Air Cosmetic Makeup Airbrush Kit. Achieve flawless, airbrushed makeup with this professional system. It's designed for both beginners and seasoned artists, delivering a perfect finish every time. This comprehensive set includes fair to medium shades of foundation. You'll have everything you need to create a beautiful base for any look. Go beyond foundation with included blush, bronzer, and shimmer. These additions allow you to sculpt and highlight your features with ease. Prepare your skin for perfection with the included anti-aging primer. It creates a smooth canvas, ensuring your makeup lasts longer and looks impeccable. This is a complete airbrush system, meaning you have everything required to begin. No additional purchases are necessary to start creating stunning makeup looks. It comes with a deluxe carrying bag, making it easy to transport. Take your professional airbrushing tools wherever you go, ready for any occasion. What we like. This comprehensive airbrush system offers a full spectrum of cosmetic options. It includes foundation, blush, bronzer, shimmer, and primer, making it incredibly versatile. If you are a beginner wanting to explore various makeup looks or a professional seeking an all-in-one kit, this system is ideal. What people say. It went on incredibly easy. When I was done first time ever in my life using one of these, it was flawless. Such a pretty outcome. No stickiness like some said. So first try night, yep, fell asleep with it on my face. Yep, wake up, and I am a side sleeper. My brain is all we man my pillowcase. No, folks, not one single tiny smudge. Look like I just put my makeup on. It only takes about 10 minutes to do your makeup from start to stop. Incredibly easy to use. No running or lines, just perfection. Number 3. Jerome MagicMinerals Airbrush Foundation Set. Discover the revolutionary way to achieve flawless skin. This innovative foundation set is designed to give you a smooth, radiant complexion effortlessly. Your all-in-one solution for perfect makeup application. It includes a primer, foundation, and a luxurious kabuki brush for seamless blending. Experience the ease of spray makeup. It provides buildable coverage that feels incredibly lightweight on your skin. Not only does it enhance your beauty, but it also cares for your skin. It's formulated with anti-aging ingredients to promote a youthful appearance. Get ready to reveal your most radiant skin yet. This foundation set helps to smooth imperfections and leave you with a luminous glow. Find your perfect match with our versatile light medium shade. It's designed to complement a wide range of skin tones for a natural finish. What we like. This set provides a complete base for your makeup routine with its included primer and foundation. The addition of a kabuki brush ensures easy application for a smooth, radiant complexion. If you prefer a curated set that includes essential prep steps and anti-aging properties, this option is perfect for you. What people say. The coverage was the best I've been able to get out of a makeup in ages. It didn't stick to little skin flakes or delve into flaws. With the brush, I was able to smooth the little wrinkles around my eyes better than with any makeup I've used in years. This foundation is easy to apply, smooths your skin and covers everything you want it to, makes your skin look glowy. You can layer it for however much coverage you'd like. First foundation I've found that actually lasts all day and looks good, but is easy to wash off. My skin has not looked this smooth with any other makeup in years. If you're looking for a makeup for older skin, I recommend it. Number 2. Jerome Alexander MagicMinerals Airbrush Foundation Set. Discover the revolutionary MagicMinerals Airbrush Foundation Set by Jerome Alexander. Achieve a flawless complexion with this complete 5-piece spray makeup system. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: foundation, primer, and setting finishing spray. It's your all-in-one solution for effortless beauty. Experience the magic of smooth, radiant skin. Our unique formula is designed to enhance your natural beauty, leaving you looking and feeling your best. Achieve a professional airbrushed look from the comfort of your home. The fine mist spray ensures even application for a seamless finish every time. This light shade is perfect for achieving a natural, healthy glow. It blends beautifully with your skin tone for a truly luminous appearance. Trust in the quality and innovation of Jerome Alexander. This set is crafted to deliver exceptional results and elevate your makeup routine. What we like. Achieve a smooth, radiant complexion with this extensive makeup set. It not only includes foundation and primer but also a setting spray to lock in your look. If you're seeking a complete system for a flawless, long-lasting finish, especially in a lighter shade, this is the one to consider. What people say. This airbrush style is the most flattering on my skin consistently. It is super light, but can be layered, smooth so it doesn't cake or blotch up, doesn't feel drying or sticky, and finishes really pretty. The foundation went on so much better and didn't catch on any dry skin. The primer gave a matte look. The foundation lasts all day. The foundation did a great job covering blemishes and areas of discoloration. The invisible air primer didn't seem very helpful in terms of resolving any of those issues for me. It did help the foundation glide on more smoothly. The air finish setting spray smelled nice and I liked it. The set also included 2 kabuki brushes, a fat one and a slimmer one. The brushes are nice. Number 1. Belloccio Fair Color Shade Foundation Set. Introducing the Belloccio Fair Color Shade Foundation Set, your key to achieving a flawless complexion. This professional cosmetic airbrush makeup is designed for a natural, radiant finish. Experience the difference of professional-grade airbrush makeup. Its lightweight formula blends seamlessly for a smooth, even skin tone. Specifically formulated for fair skin tones, this foundation provides impeccable coverage without appearing heavy. Achieve the perfect shade match every time. Each set comes with convenient 1-2-ounce bottles, making it easy to use and store. Enjoy salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Unlock your natural radiance with this versatile foundation. It's ideal for everyday wear or special occasions, ensuring you always look and feel your best. What we like. This set offers professional-grade cosmetic foundations in fair shades. The individual bottles allow for precise shade selection and mixing. If you are looking for high-quality, customizable foundation options specifically for fair skin tones, this is an excellent choice for achieving a natural, polished look. What people say. Oh my god, it's as close to flawless as I could ever hope for, with the coverage I need. After it has set for a few minutes, it feels completely dry, not dry skin dry, just product has dry. It hides flaws such as blemishes, age spots, etc. It goes on flawlessly and only take a few drops. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.